Hey, how's it going? And today I'm just going to show you how to create something easy, something fun. I call this easy alien fruit. Some people think this looks like a pumpkin, but it's not. It's an alien fruit that doesn't exist. So to do this, we're just going to go into model, geometry. We're going to go to a sphere, and we'll just go with those settings there, the default. I'm going to just zoom out a little bit here. Then I'll go into the surface editor, and we'll just apply smoothing. And I'm going to jump out of there, and then with the object selected, I'm going to go into properties. I'm going to go into the add instancer, double click this. We're going to add our object that we just made. Click on that. Then we're going to go to radial array, and I don't know, let's do 12. And we can't really see anything yet, but let's go ahead and turn on VPR. And right away we get something like this. It's an alien fruit, remember. Now you can expand this out or close this in. You can adjust these settings, but that's essentially our alien fruit. Now we could do some surfacing on this thing just real quick. So it's kind of shiny. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the surface editor here. I'm going to make this screen big, real big. And we're going to go to a gradient here and double click into it. And for our color, we're just looking for something kind of green like that. And then down here we'll click and make another key and something orange-ish, maybe something like that, and go OK. And then we want this to be coming down the Y. And let's go ahead and take a look at this and see what we've got. Oh, duh. I didn't link it up. Oh, we want it to go the other way. So let me just switch these around. Just play with these. I just thought it'd be maybe a little greener on the top. And of course, you can do a lot more with these. That's too green. Just adjust these sliders to how you like it. Something like that. And the only other thing I'd say is maybe it's too shiny, so in here we can just turn the specularity down and maybe give it some sheen or subsurface. So let's see what that does. Give it kind of that skin quality look. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create alien fruit in Lightwave. So take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.